Krisp not detecting your microphone? Uh, yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your mic works everywhere else. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, make sure your microphone is properly connected. I mean, loose cables or Bluetooth issues can cause detection problems. Next, go to your system sound settings and make sure your microphone is selected as the default input device. Now open Krisp and check the input device list. Yeah, make sure your mic appears and is selected. Okay? Make sure Krisp has permission to access your microphone. Without this, it won't detect anything. Next, restart Krisp and your computer. I mean, this refreshes device detection. If you're on Windows, update your audio drivers. Yeah, outdated drivers can cause detection issues. If other apps are using your microphone, close them. Only one app can control it at a time sometimes. If it's still not detected, uninstall and reinstall Krisp. I mean, this can fix deeper bugs. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not detecting your microphone. One of these steps should get it working again quickly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.